Alex Coffey joins us for the Trader Rundown. Let's get your quick take on the market action this week.
Yeah, so it's been an interesting week. Well, obviously, we started the week, close to highs, above 2,900, but we weren't able to hold those levels, selling off back down back into the mid, 2880s. And when you see market action like that, it's kind of showing a little bit of exhaustion.
You have some stocks that you're watching, starting with Facebook.
So Wall Street Journal broke a story earlier this week, basically saying that they were implying Facebook maybe knew a little bit about some of their privacy issues, but it did lead to a little bit of volatility, and with that volatility, a lot of times traders will see that as a potential opportunity. I'm seeing traders going out to the last week in July, so about 45 days or so out, give or take a couple days there, and they're selling the 165, 160 put spread, so taking a little bit of advantage of a little slight down move and a little bit pop in volatility, selling some premium.
Kraft Heinz selling frosting for vegetables, and also a bit of a relief rally as well because of its accounting issues.
I'm seeing the 29 puts being purchased in next week's expiration ahead of their earnings announcement.
We have a lot of sporting events coming up, and Nike is on your list.
We are seeing the 85 calls trading, this week and next week, which is a slight premium to where we are now. But really, this is one that, maybe you hold off until the earnings announcement or is a little bit closer in about a couple weeks. But Nike's an interesting one. They're fighting with, Lululemon on some of that athleisure front, and even the golfing, the pants front in terms of that. And speaking of golf, you have the U.S. Open coming up this weekend. Brooks Koepka, one of the front runners, is a Nike athlete. Tiger Woods, of course, one of the most notable Nike athletes. But then you look at the basketball front, Kevin Durant recently going down with a terrible injury, and we wish him a speedy recovery. But that is more press for Nike, good or bad. We saw that with Zion Williamson, as he tore his shoe. That's just more press for Nike.
It's in the news. Thank you.
Yep, thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.